I have Huawei Y5 2018 and let me show you how to add the screen lock protection on the following device. At the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Then from the following home screen, let's find and select the settings. Afterwards, you have to choose security and location. Choose here screen lock. And you can use pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. So let's draw your unlock pattern, tap next, and let's do it again just for confirmation. That's it. So now you have to choose the form of notification. You can show all notification content, high sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me show all content, tap done. And now you can change some settings, or you can simply just start using your screen lock. Let's just press power key, and here you can unlock the screen by using your pattern. That's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.